everyone, it's Lori Gagne from the BGM Real Estate Team, and welcome to 135 Gascon Street in Alfred, Ontario. Beautiful custom bungalows sitting on the Ottawa River. Come on in. This custom bungalow sits on 300 feet of waterfront on the Ottawa River. It is a 2-bedroom bungalow on the main, 1 bedroom in the loft, 1 bedroom on the lower level, which is also a walkout, and it has 2 fireplaces, so no matter where you go here, you can enjoy the view. So not only can you enjoy the views from the inside of this home, you can step outside into your own personal playground, put the kids in the in-ground pool, sit around the fire pit at night, have your friends boat over or dock your own boat. For more information, give us a call, 613-558-8000.